Well, good morning, everyone. Sunday early morning. It's nice and sunny. I put the tarp up this time so it doesn't get too hot. We're gonna do the brakes and rotors, brake pads and rotors on this unit here. It belongs to my friend in his plumbing business, so we're gonna take care of that today. He started having same issues as I had with my F250. You step on the brakes and you could see you could feel the warpness on the rotors. I guess these rotors are really worn out already. Anyway, let's get to work. The calipers look okay. Oh, these are cracked. And they were squeaking. So those are no good. Now we got to take this bracket off. Okay, we are going to lubricate these right here. Put the new clips on. This has a little retaining clip here that needs to come off. Rotor's loose, so we're not going to have to jack screw it off of here. So let's take that off. There's two of them. Clean this up just a little bit. Throw some anti-seize on it, that way the rotor doesn't stick on. I was surprised it didn't come out, you know, all rusted out or anything, so we're looking good. This is just to hold it in place while I clean up all the grease that comes with the rotor. Get some brake clean, spray that on there. Oh yeah, these are way better. These are ceramic pads as well. Oh yeah, they're pretty good. The thing you want to do is you want to spray the back of these with this. Just brake quiet. This right here, this stuff works good. Actually, it tacks them. Tacks them good so they don't start moving. This stuff dries up pretty good, pretty quick, so by the time we get ready to go put them back on the caliper, we'll be fine. I'm going to put the new clips on. Let's just clip off and clip back on. I'm supposed to clip back on it. Oh, let's go to this side. That's why. You have a thick side and a thinner side. There, that's easy. Okay, thick side. And a thinner side. There we go. Stuff works good. Either the red or the blue will work, so don't be bashful with it. This has a lot of torque, so don't be bashful with it. Put enough on there, use it sparingly. And we're going to tighten up these bolts really, really good. Nifty little tool here. There, see how thick these are? Pretty good. See if we need to compress the caliper some more. I don't think so. We're fine. Let's lubricate these bolts here real quick. Some grease on them, we'll be fine. Grease comes in the kit, so it's a little package. Okay, just spread it on there. Some sort of special grease, so I always like to put a little bit of lubricant on these pens anyway. Oops. This is going to be fine. Up these bolts here a little bit more. The small impact just basically just brings them down to where they need to be. So I tighten this one and this one up. Those don't need Loctite, they don't go really tight. The back ones do. These right here are pretty heavy duty. So remember the anti-Z's right there on the hub. The kit didn't come with those retainers anymore, but that's just to hold the caliper when you, or not the caliper, the rotor, when you take these off. Nothing really special. I thought I had some, I don't, and you would think they would come with the kit. All right, let's get on to the other side. I'm going to speed it up all the way. That way it's not a long video. pads were cracked as well on this side. See all those small cracks on there. So that's probably why he was feeling kind of the rotors warped. The rotors were okay, but I just don't like to turn them, to be honest with you. It's actually cheaper just to buy a whole new set of brake pads with the rotors. So we'll be all right. I'm gonna actually get my grease gun and grease the two ball joints here, and that's all you can grease because there's no tie rod ends on this thing. Oh yeah, there is, just these two right here. All right, let's get this thing back on the road. Thanks for watching, appreciate you. If you like these videos, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you so much. Have a good day and have fun the rest of the week.